Hello friends, I'm back with another video and this time it's Redmi Note 7 Pro. But before we begin, let's make this video special by subscribing to my channel for more such interesting updates. Without further ado, let's dive in. By now you know everything about Redmi Note 7 and Redmi Note 7 Pro is not much different. It has upgraded specs in certain areas which we are going to check now. The first thing that is upgraded is cameras. Here, camera is 48 megapixel with Sony IMX586 sensor and the aperture is f1.8, which is good for taking low light photos. And it comes with a depth sensor of 5 megapixel. And it will also come with EIS for stable video recording. The next upgrade is in terms of processor. This has the world's first Snapdragon 675 processor. And I have got to say this processor is far better than Snapdragon 660. The Antutu benchmark is enough to show you that. The Snapdragon 660 does not even cross 1,50,000 mark. The other thing that is upgraded is the price. So the price will be about 15,700 for Redmi Note 7 Pro. And the other relevant mentions are, it will have hybrid dual SIM, that is one SIM card and the other you have option of either SIM or SD card. And the display is Corning Gorilla 5, which will be enough to keep your device safe. You can watch this video. It will come with Android Pie with MIUI 10 skin on it. It will have USB Type-C reversible connector. And the fingerprint is on the rear of the device and it also supports Quick Charge 4 for fast charging. And the battery will be 4100 mAh, which is 100 mAh more than what Redmi Note 7 offered. And to top it all, a 3.5mm headphone jack. Not even flagship device have that. As far as launch is concerned, it will be by March 27th, 2019, which is a long time and it's still unofficial, but we will get updates later on. I will update you for that. And with that being said, this is me Satej and see you in another video.